Good morning, students. After completing our unit organizing, today we will do the group discussion of the back exercise and test our understanding, in which the questions are given to you. If you are able to find out the answer, please raise your hand. Otherwise, I'll explain you. The first question is, name the function of management which coordinates the physical, finance, and human resources, establish productive relation among them for the achievement of their specific goal, that is known as organizing. Yes, clear by its name, because when we did the meaning in that, it is given specifically that it is organizing. The next is Canon Limited, one of the famous company of producing the stationery material as well as the electronic goods based in Pune. On the one hand, it deals with the items. It deals with the items like books, music instrument, videotapes, etc. On the other hand, deals with the laptop and mobile phone. The company had a functional structure. Firstly, they have the functional structure. So what happened in there are the heads of the production, marketing, and finance, and all the function head were looking all the products. But at that time, the activities overlapped, and this lead to the problem related to the coordination and interdepartmental conflicts also. To facilitate the specialization, the Ramit, the CEO of the company, decided to group books, instrument, and videotapes under the media, and laptop and mobile phone under the consumer electronics. So in this way, while doing this, the Rumit has performed a step in the process of one function of management. So we have to identify the step in this case. Now, instead of functions, what they did, they just divide all the function or all the activities on the basis of the various departments. So it is known as the departmentalization. So the answer is departmentalization. The next, the process of the management by which managers bring order out of choice, removes the conflict among the people over the work and responsibility, and sharing, and create an environment suitable for the teamwork. Identify it. It is none of that. It is organizing. Let's go for the next. It's assignment number 5.2. Span of management refers to number of managers, length of the term for their management is appointed, number of subordinate under superior, number of members in top management. What is the answer? The answer is, in this case, is C. The number of subordinate under superior is known as the span of management. The next is, a tall structure has narrow span of management, wide span of management, no span of management, less level of management. What it has? A tall structure. When the structure is tall, it means the span means फैलाव जो होगा वो कम हो जाएगा. So the narrow span of management is there when the structure is tall. Next question. Himalaya Limited is engaged in manufacturing the washing machines. The target of the organization is to manufacture 500 machines in a day. There is an occupational specialization in the organization which promotes efficiency of employees. There is no duplication of efforts in such type of organization structure. Identify the type of organization structure is described over here. Now, the organization structure is described on the basis of the Functions, they are producing only a single product. No product lines are there. So the functional organizational structure is the functional structure is given over here. The next question, it provides the framework which enables the enterprises to function as an integrated unit by regulated and coordinating the responsibility of the individual and departments. Where the word department is there, it means that is the structure that is based on the division, and it is considering over here about the organization structure. What is considered over here? The organization structure. So the next question is, it provide the framework, it is done. The company has been registered under the Companies Act with an authorized share capital of 20 crore. It registered office is situated in Delhi and manufacturing unit is in backward district of the Rajasthan. Its marketing department is situated in Bhopal. The company is manufacturing fast-moving consumer goods, FMCG. Which type of organizational structure is this? Which type of? Anybody can tell me? Could you identify the answer? Anybody else, please raise your hand if you are able to let me know the answer. So many questions I have discussed. I hope you are able to find the answers now. The company is registered under the Company Act, beta. Different branches are there. So what should be the answer according to you? It means divisions are there. So it is the divisional structure. The next one is an electronic company manufacturing TV and refrigerator wants to bring two new products, washing machine and AC in the market. For each product, the separate division is to be set up. For each product, a separate division is set up. In the charge of washing machine division and AC division will be a female and a disabled persons respectively. What type of organization structure is suitable for this kind of company? What kind of? It is divisional structure. The next one is 7. It is the system of the job positions, the role assigned to them and authority and responsibility is also among them at the various position. Please identify it. It is the organizational structure in which the jobs, position and role are assigned to them. Next is identify the type of the organization structure that should be followed by the company in each case. Number 1, Brinda Limited grows, so the needs to add more employees, create new department and introduce a new level of management. What is it? It is the divisional structure. But on the other hand, if we talk The Shreya Limited, the large organization having the diversified activities and operations require a high degree of specialization. In that case, that is known as the functional structure. And the last question of 5.2 is, it is defined as the framework in which managerial and operating tasks are to be performed. Identify. Anybody else can identify? It is a framework. Framework means in which structure is to be created. Please raise your hand if you are able to find the answer of this question. It is defined as the framework in which managerial and operating tasks are performed. It's one of the easiest question. It is defined as the framework. Framework means the structure is to be maintained. And in which function of management structure is to be maintained? It's organizing. I think you people don't have any interest in the group discussion, so we should wind up here. It is one of the simplest questions that I asked. Nobody answered. Yes, which of the following does not follow the scalar chain? The functional structure, divisional structure, formal or informal organization, which do not follow the scalar chain. Informal organization don't have any sequence. So the answer is informal organization. Which of the following is not the characteristic of formal organization? Which is not the correct characteristic of formal organization? A, it clarifies the official lines of communication. Its purpose is to achieve organizational objective. It coordinates and integrates the efforts of various departments. It is performed by the individual to get the social and psychological satisfaction. So it is the answer D. It is formed by individuals to get the social and psychological satisfaction. Name the type of organization which job description and rules and procedure related to the work processes are laid down. It is formal organization in which all the rules, all the procedure related to the work processes are laid down. Next, fourth, name the type of organization which is fluid in the form and scope and does not have fixed line of communication. No fixed line of communication taken place only in informal organization. Radhika is the general manager of Govinda Limited. Radhika is facing a lot of problems on the issue relating to the some sales policies. The organization has an aim to increase the sales by 20% and return on investment by 10%. Instead of talking to the sales department, she directly consulted her boss Lalita about the problem. She talked to her freely and did not follow any strict rules and regulation relating to the formal line of organization. Identify the type of organization is this. She directly contact with her boss and talk so freely. So it means it is the informal organization. ABC Limited manufacturing shoes. Their business has been doing well as their organization specifies how much work should a worker do in what manner. It follows a rigid structure which has been deliberately means intentionally planned and created by the top management for the coordination of activities. But in spite of all of these, there are procedural delays. Identify this type of organization. Yesterday we have done in the formal organization when there is an hierarchy, everybody can consult to their reporting boss only. So in that case, sometimes it's likely to be happen that whatever the procedure is to be followed to do any of the activity and to maintain the coordination, it always delay in the decisions of the organization. So the answer is formal organization. So what we have done, we have done 3 exercises to test our understanding that is based on the unit organizing. If anybody have any doubt in this, please feel free to ask. You have to note it down all these questions. I'll send you the PDF along with the answer key, and you have to prepare the notes and then send PDF to me. If anybody have any doubt, please feel free to have your queries now.